Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can magically cancel all the background noise which would normally come if you are a normal person, that is. So for cancelling the background noise, you need to download a software called RTX Voice, and this video is only for those who own a GeForce GTX GPU by NVIDIA. Those who do not have this GPU, then you can simply still watch the video. I will now continue. After searching for RTX Voice in Google, click on the first link, scroll down. You can use it in almost every app that you would want. See, as for the download link, you need to click on the RTX Voice option. If you have a RTX GPU or higher, you can also download the NVIDIA broadcast, but in my case I am using a NVIDIA GeForce GTX GPU, so I will click here. The download will begin in few seconds. The download has begun, as you can see. I had already downloaded this file, so I will cancel it. After the downloading is complete, you need to open the file. And click on yes if it wants. As you can see, it is now loading. The system's check has been successfully completed. Just click on agree and continue. Wait for it to get installed. As you can see, the installation has now completed successfully. So I will click on close. The app will now open automatically. If this type of notification will come that default speakers are set to NVIDIA RTX Voice, then simply you can ignore this. It is just to inform you. As you can see, the audio playback has changed. You can now use the NVIDIA RTX Voice, but I only want to change the input microphone noise, so I will change it to default. And as for the input device, select your microphone and then enable the remove background noise from my microphone option. Make sure that the box is ticked, and you can adjust the noise suppression according to your need. After that, you can just open your application, but I will only show you the OBS Studio one. For others, you need to research for it yourself. Open your OBS Studio, then click on the add source box. After that, click on the audio input capture that you would normally do. Just change the device to NVIDIA RTX and then click on OK. The recording will now be done in the RTX Voice application, which is by NVIDIA, which will reduce all the background noise. If you will notice carefully, then you will be able to notice that the voice input bar on the audio input capture 2, which was my previous one, and that was the default microphone selected, which means there was no background noise cancellation. done by RTX Voice in audio input capture 2. And in case of audio input capture 3, as you will be able to see that it is recording the voice with NVIDIA RTX Voice. So the noise or the sound that you are seeing here is almost zero, which means that it is successfully cancelling all the background noise. From this you would have been able to know how much it is worthwhile to install the RTX Voice application. And I will now show you a difference between the same audio being recorded in RTX Voice with noise and the same audio which will be recorded directly from the microphone without using RTX Voice. Listen carefully. Here's the audio being recorded directly from the microphone. There is background music running here, and you will be able to listen it, I guess. And I am producing some noise I mean. So if you are able to listen all this, then this means that there is noise coming out from the microphone. This is the voice being recorded from the RTX Voice application by NVIDIA, and the noise will now begin. And you can see that I am clapping loudly, very loudly in the tool, and still the sound is not being recorded, I guess, in this audio file. And a music is also being played here. From this you must have been able to see the difference in between the noise cancellation done by RTX Voice and without the noise cancellation. So if this video was able to help you somehow, then please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.